Alright, so we kick off today's video with a makeover by Be Seen. He is a very talented hairstylist. He does a cut and a color transformation here. And yes, he does this very unique green and black bob style. I love the way that this color came out. Such an edgy, cute look. And next up we have Pixie makeover. So she already has hair that is quite short. The stylist does like a cut refresh here. There's a nice classic pixie. And then we have another color transformation. This one also features some vibrant color. You can see there it matches the nails, that neon yellow. And she does a nice little like pop in the mix of her bob. I think that is such a fun little vibe. And this transformation is also by Be Seen. And then we have a bit of a long to short makeover. So she gets a pixie here. I love the drama behind this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we move into a long to short transformation. Looks like she's getting a bob. Look how much body she has. I love the way the stylist is doing the cut with the layers put in the front. Absolutely gorgeous. And as you guys know, layers is a great way to add in some volume to your hair. Next up, we have another long to short. Looks like she's going to get a bob. Ooh, beautiful volumized bob. I love the feather bangs that he did. Gorgeous angle to help frame her face. Very nice. So next up, we have a color transformation. She ends up getting this beautiful bob. Look at the color range on this. The dimension is breathtaking. And then we have another long to short. So she ended up cutting off all that blonde hair and opting for a pixie. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, so we have someone here with very long hair. Looks like she's getting a bob haircut here. And then we have another bob makeover. Oh, she's getting some color. The roots touched up to her blonde. Very nice. And here we have another long to bob transformation. Like he went even shorter with this bob. Beautiful, so much body within the cuts. Very cute. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed all of these beautiful transformations featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.